the channel. We're gonna start this thing out. It's gonna be a cold start. It's like 40 degrees out right now. And then we're gonna pull them in the garage because we're taking the pump and all the injectors out to put bigger ones in. So, see if he starts. The seat's wet. That sucks. You know what else sucks? The key is on the other key ring.
Attempt 2. Attempt 3. To the garage we go. He's not going to the garage. Never mind, he's just backing up. Kind of funny. Okay, now I gotta help. Okay, she's in the garage. Once again.
Okay, we got the tractor in the garage. So, I'm sure that most of you aren't wondering what we're gonna do, but just for those that are, we've got this case 1175 in the garage, and what we're gonna do is, follow me, I'll show you. We're gonna take this Bosch A pump, we're gonna take it off. We're gonna take this fuel filter off. We're gonna put an electric fuel pump to feed it. We're gonna change this line right here. Then we're gonna take all these injectors, we're gonna take them out. I've got a guy that's gonna do the work on the A pump, bigger plungers, more fuel, and the injectors are gonna get a bigger orifice so they can squirt more fuel. We want more fuel, black smoke. So that's what we're gonna do.
So at the moment we got our little air intake thing off. We are taking some of the injectors apart. Here's our turbo. And then we got all the fuel lines unconnected from the pump. And then our next step is just taking the injectors out. So yeah.
And we gotta take the injection pump off too.
That too. But
you know, details.